Did you know that there are two different types of paints? You have transparent paints and you have opaque paints. I'm going to show you how they interact differently on a white canvas. So first I have my burnt sienna. It's a very popular color, and this is an opaque. What that means is that when it goes on, it's going to give maximum coverage. There's going to be no transparency with this paint. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a stroke. And you can see that it's covering all of the white. So if you're trying to like stain something, you're not going to want to use a opaque. You're going to want to use more of a transparent. Let me show you what the transparent does. So I have here Azo Gold, which is a transparent, which means it's going to be more translucent. When I apply this paint, it's going to, let me get a new paintbrush. It's going to be more transparent, more translucent. You're going to be able to control basically you're staining this. So think of like stained glass. It's not clear, it has color over it. So this is a great way to prep your canvas to just add a layer of transparent paint. And again, these are very similar. These are similar colors, but one is opaque, maximum coverage, and one is transparent. I think it's really important to know how your paint interacts as basic tools so that when you get into painting, you understand if you want to shade something, if you want to add a little bit of a tint, you can use your transparent. If you want to add more of a stark highlight or just completely cover something, you can use more of an opaque. But here's just an example of how that works, how that looks, and I hope it was helpful.